Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can install apps to your Gigaset GX6. For that, you want to go to your Play Store and then look for any app you like. You have here for you, so apps recommended for you, top charts, children, categories, also games down here and books, and then you can just look for any app you like. We go to Live Veranda right now, and then you have more information and ratings down here, and when you're sure you want to install it, just click on install. Now the app is installed and you can open it through the button here, or just go back to your home screen and then swipe to the right where all your apps are, and then you see Leave Veranda here. You can now open it and use your app as you like. But that's how you install apps to your Gigaset GX6. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!